closer?
He has dragon hands.
What? Why does he have dragon hands? Oh, is it because he's a Decepticon?
No.
Well, then what is he?
An Autobot.
Oh, what do you think about him first before you open him?
So, I think about him, he's so cool. So let's open him.
Okay, so let me get some, well, you know, let's open it your way. See what happens.
And look at open.
Wow, you're getting real good at opening these. Here, I'll take the tape if it's in the way.
I don't know how to.
Okay. That's my other son in the background. By the way, you're watching the Nightspyder Collector. This is Mr.Nightspyder, and this is Abu, the toy master. Right? Here, let me help you. We have this part. There you go. Right here. There you go. Right here. Where's the daddy has it? Right here. Bam. Wait, there's a card. What? Guys, look. We have a card.
And guys, look, we have
Ooh, it has his power level on the back. And instructions. What? Okay. He doesn't let me do the unboxing anymore. He wants to do it. He's 5 now. He can do everything. Pull with all your muscles, sir.
I already take the guns off. How can I take these things down?
Let me see.
This gun. Yeah, it's so cool.
You feeling it?
Super cool.
All right, sir. I think I have it. Now you can show everybody and tell everybody what you think. What do you think about this robot?
So cool.
What do you think about it? Are you going straight for the head? What's his name? Twinferno. I'm not familiar with this one, to be honest.
It is so cool.
Let me see. Can I see the little head? Now, this is a Titan Return thing. I've had this since this line was out. I just really never got around to filming it. Let's see if we can zoom in on that guy. There he is. There's the little guy.
Now can I see it?
Not too shabby. Here you go, sir.
Now.
Refocus. Can I give some commentary to the robot mode, please? Can I see the robot mode? Just kidding. Not a big deal. We have other heads we can buy. Can I try? You're taking all the fun away from Daddy.
But look,
This is what happens when your kids get older and you're a collector and you have all these toys. Majority of my toys are in his room now. We share. I suggest you instill that in your children.
yeah, it looks like that.
Can I see it now? Oh, wow. So, I did not suspect this. So the wings have like a translucent black plastic, which is pretty cool.
Actually, look at this. His gun connect.
His guns connect. This is probably one of the better headmasters as far as
Yeah.
actually staying in.
Watch this, watch this. I need to show you something.
That's good.
I need to show you something. Let us plug in something.
They actually have some movement going on in the arms. So it probably has to do with transforming mode.
I need to show you.
They have a decent amount of
I
like
need to show you what is the
red paint. I will. Don't worry, we'll get it.
Look
And
at
then my son is just dying to show everybody where the gun. Show everybody where the guns go, sir.
the gun does.
You have to do it over there. They can't see it over there. You have to go over here.
It plugs.
It plugs in the back. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're right. Can I see it? I'm gonna show it on camera.
But look, it's so loose, the head.
Look. Oh my gosh, he's so smart. He figured out where the guns go. Right in the back. Great job. So he's going to play with this a little bit, and then we're going to transform it, and then we'll show you beast mode in this case. Say see you in a second, guys.
See you in a second, guys.
Be back.
Be back.
What do you think of the dinosaur mode or dragon mode, whatever you want to call it?
I want to call it dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur? Cool. So do you like the robot part better, or do you like the dragon part better?
The little robot part.
The little robot part? Like the little head?
Yeah, because that movie.
What movie? Oh, he's been watching The Rebirth. He saw the Transformers Headmasters and Target Masters. So he is all about that, right? So what do you want to talk about your thoughts
No,
on it?
he's shooting the robot out.
So the robot, which he just took out,
Now, where are
comes out from right here on his chest. And he sits in there. The legs, oh man, these legs suck. They do not, they're so wiggly wobbly. They do not stay secure at all. And they don't really tab in either. There's nothing to put it. It's just you put it there and then you put it there and then you move them. That's it. It kind of sucks. Not the most secure. I would say I'd expect more, but we're talking about Hasbro. So, I think he is actually engrossed in playing it. I will go over here. So, are we done? Are we done, guys? I will say we're done if you're done.
We're done.
Say bye, everybody. Come over here and say bye to everybody.
Bye, bye, everybody. See you later.
So what are you going to do? Play with that one? Say, I'm going to play with my toy.
I'm gonna play with our toy.
Technically, it's Daddy's toy, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. Peace!